The Fluke MDA-510 and MDA-550 motor drive analyzers are designed to be easy and safe to use. Both units have 4 isolated input channels here on the top, and are supplied with 3 high voltage probes, 1 high frequency probe, 1 I400S current clamp with the MDA-510, and 3 I400S current clamps with the MDA-550. In addition, the MDA-550 is capable of taking shaft voltage measurements and includes a set of carbon fiber brushes along with a magnetic probe holder. The motor drive analyzer includes full 500 MHz oscilloscope functionality and recorder functions. More importantly, they have a guided measurement function for the motor drive analysis that can reliably guide you to useful information. The range of measurements available enable users to measure from the power input of the drive DC bus, the drive output, the motor input, and with the MDA-550, motor shaft voltage. The guided measurement systems provide step-by-step guidance so you get to the important measurements as quickly as possible. It even includes a circuit diagram of the required connections for the measurement mode on screen. Once the signals are on screen, digital readings are shown. In most cases, subsidiary measurements are available by pressing Function F2 key. You can even bring on measuring cursors for detailed analysis of the signal. With the MDA-550 in this measurement mode, harmonics are also displayed. This can be multiples of the power frequency, or in the ranges of 1 to 9 kHz and 9 to 150 kHz. Creating reports with the MDA is simple. Each measurement step includes a Save to Report option. The report can be transferred directly to a USB thumb drive, printed, or sent to others who may be helping with the troubleshooting process.